Is it worth it to buy the one-up rack? So I got this 6 months ago. You can see it's bent. Okay, there's no sign that I hit this thing from this side. I don't know. And in the back side, the blue one, there's like a chirp. You see that? Right there. But I still don't know how did these things happen. So, is this the most reliable bike rack out there on the business? One app rack. So I tried to email them. I sent them the picture of this thing. I don't know what they're gonna do. Are they gonna replace it? Is this worth of buying worth like 400 bucks spending money on this aluminum thing? I don't know, guys. It's for you guys to make this decision. I didn't hit it, you can tell, but this one got like, I don't know. I don't know what happened. It's for you guys to make decision. I got this for six months ago, and it's for you to decide.